drinking Prosecco tonight. There we go. Having a good time. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Well, it's an artificial intelligence platform, almost like a chat, essentially, that allows you to ask questions and get a response, and in short and simple terms. So let me show you how it works. Here we have ChatGPT right here. As you go to the site, you'll sign up. You can ask it anything. Keep in mind, ChatGPT only has data from about 2021, not the latest data. So in this sense, it doesn't have all the data. Tell me about COVID. Bada boom, bada bang. Give me 1 second. I think I need another sip. It's the weekend. All right. Here, after being processed by our artificial intelligence engine, you get a breakdown of all that data to get a summary of what COVID-19 is. Another thing I can do is that you can build scripts, which is the way that I use it from day to day. I'm a senior software developer, and for example, you can tell it to do something like this. So for example, create a script written in Python to pull user data from Twitter. If I can spell it right. There we go. There it goes. It's just so satisfying when things go as you anticipated. All right, as you can see here, it has a script. Not just a script, but even has a summary. Tells you about getting API keys. We can talk about that in another class. But the idea is that it can do a whole vast quantity of things. It can manipulate data as well as generating a script for you. So one more thing I want to show you. Let's get some weather data. So let me get some JSON weather data. Bam. So essentially what we should be able to tell ChatGPT to do is to take a look at this data and tell us what this data is, as well as some insights of the data. So let's take a look at that. If we can find the data. Here we go. So I'm going to just take this right here, copy this sucker. I think that, yep, that does say copy. Then we paste it in. Are you ready? Here we go. Just paste that hoe in right there. Oops, excuse my French, you know, I've been drinking Prosecco. It ain't nothing. All right, so as you can see, we didn't tell it what this data represents, but all of a sudden it does know that the above JSON is weather data. It can even tell you the location and a breakdown of the various different fields and definitions of those fields. Very helpful. So there are a couple of uses for ChatGPT. You can use it like Google, as we witnessed, to ask it questions and get some responses. You can use it as your workflow as a developer to generate scripts, programs, as well as you can use it to analyze data, get insights in your data, as well as defining various fields. All right, and let me know if you know of any other uses for ChatGPT. If you have experience with it, I'd like to know that. In a nutshell, there you go, ChatGPT, and that's it, baby.